Hello everyone, myself Gulshan Akhtar and I am the faculty at Physicswala. Here at Physicswala, I am mentoring the aspirants of UGC NET and JRF examination. UGC NET and JRF examination, which is regarded as one of the toughest examination of the country, and having cleared this examination in my very first attempt and having more than 5 years of experience in teaching in this examination, I am mentoring the UGC NET aspirants to clear this examination in their next attempt. Talking about teaching, so teaching is my passion and I realized this during my school days. I used to love the teachers of my school, the work they do, after which I did my B.Ed, and so after clearing B.Ed, I qualified CTET examination in my first attempt, post which मैंने apply किया into the schools of my hometown only, which is Allahabad, and I got a job in one of the prestigious institution, which is Girls High School. So I was very happy. I started teaching, and first 1 to 3 months तो ऐसे थे कि I was like in awe कि I am at the best institution, I'm teaching there. I used to get lots of respect, love from the student, which made me very very happy. The first 2 months ऐसे ही आपके निकल गए, लेकिन धीरे धीरे I realized कि this is not what I wanted to do. तब मुझे स्कूल चिल्ड्रंस को पढ़ा के वो खुशी नहीं मिल रही थी. आई वॉन्टेड टू टीच, आई लव टू टीच, बट नॉट द स्कूल चिल्ड्रन. देन into 7-8 months into the school, I realized कि नहीं, I want to teach, लेकिन I don't want to teach the school children. Then I applied for masters. मैंने masters के लिए apply किया, मैंने M.Com किया complete, and after which मैंने NET का exam दिया and I cleared the NET and JRF examination in my very first attempt. And I started mentoring UGC NET and JRF students, and from there the journey to mentor UGC NET and JRF student began. So currently I am at PW. From the last 1 year I am here at this institution, and I am very happy and very thankful that PW gave me this opportunity to mentor the students and also live my dream, which is teaching. I am doing currently very popular for my concepts, that the students say कि concepts gets cleared when you teach, and we don't forget the concepts very easily. And I'm also very popular among the students for the tricks that I gave them, because I understand, being a paper 1 faculty, I understand that the syllabus is very dynamic. Paper 1 mein you have so many things to do along with your paper 2, and as I have already said, UGC NET examination is one of the toughest examination of the country. So I understand that learning these so many concepts and remembering it for your examination is a very difficult thing. So I do, in my classes, I do give lots of tricks to the student. Every day I do make sure कि I am learning, I am growing myself as an educator, that I can help my students learn and grow with me so that they can clear this examination and they can be the best assistant professor of the country. So this is my aim. Do let me know in the comments that how you liked it, and if you want to connect more with me, you can connect me on PW, where I will be mentoring you for your UGC NET and JRF examination.